Today we'll look at everything you need to consider when shopping for outdoor kitchen storage. Let's go. In my mind, one of the most important things to consider is your doors and drawers storage portion of your kitchen. At a minimum, you need at least an access door to a gas valve near any of your appliances. But let's kind of go beyond that part. There are sealed pantries, which are incredible for storing condiments and things that don't need refrigeration, of course, but they're sealed. They're gasketed and sealed so the humidity and rodents and ants and all kinds of stuff won't get to your food. That's a plus. But also, you can take all of your tools and just throw them on the counter in this big pile and sort through them. If you're into that, I'm not knocking you. That's an approach. But the way I like to do it is I like to have several drawers so that I can keep everything kind of segmented, certain tools, and that way I can grab them on the quick because I never know what I'll be doing. I cook all kinds of stuff. Ice bins. They're great for the occasional entertainer, the guy who's probably doesn't need to go all the way to an ice maker. It's super simple. It has all your drinks iced down right there like a pro. You don't have to run in and out of your house. Next up is built-in paper towel holders. You can think about this, you just finished doing your grilling and whatever else and you got the junk on your hands and now you're just wiping it on your shirt. Paper towels are a much better approach. Let's talk spices, specifically built-in spice racks. They keep all of your spices at hand. There's not all this running in and out of the house to get exactly what you need. It just makes things a lot easier. It's something you definitely want to keep in mind. Built-in cutting boards. They slide out so they're nice and easy, convenient. They kind of slide away when you're not using them. But it allows you to prep your food or any of your other garnishments or anything for while you're cooking and entertaining without having to run inside, outside, all that good stuff. Now, while you're looking into the cutting board option, it's a great idea to install it over your trash can. That way, as soon as you wrap with your trimmings and whatever else, you just scrape them right off into the trash bin. It's great. You have more than one option. There are pull-out trash bins. There are doubles. Maybe you want a recycle and a trash. Maybe you want a single. They have all of that. A warming drawer. They're great for, you can rise pizza dough, lots of pizza doughs very quickly in a warming drawer. They're great for pre-preparing sides for a party or flash searing items and holding them in your warming drawer, ready for final cook during the party. Style. Your style. These are the aesthetic things, the types of handles, the types of materials, whether it's brushed or polished. All these options exist and they're just something to keep in mind when doing this type of shopping.